Hello. I'm going to give you an inside view to what I worked on today. I spent about 4 hours updating, tweaking. I created a new blog post. I created a banner and I did some work. And I added a new blog post to myincomejob.com website. And I titled it Gig Income. And I'm going to show you all the things I had to do to create, in my opinion, this quality content. I used no artificial intelligence for this. How did I decide on gig income as the title for the blog post? I did research. And after 10 minutes of researching, I decided on gig income. Gig income. Because the search engine results for that phrase, that search query, 54,300,000. That's aces. And it's speaking about gig income. Then the header, earn income using digital platform gig apps. I came up with that after about 5 to 10 minutes of entering queries and deciding on what I wanted to use as the header of the blog post, because that comes into play with search engine optimization, organic. That's the best kind of online advertising, when people find your work organically. So I spent about 15-20 minutes on that, and this is 42 million results that populated. I used Pixabay, royalty-free images. I did some research and I put together a QT banner that shows on the homepage above the blog post. And it's not bad. I liked it. It was it was simple and sweet, says it all. Online income, gig income, shopping income. Matches all the content on this blog post. And I give an intro to how I was led to working for myself as an independent contractor, sometimes as a freelancer, and how working gig apps to earn steady income gave me freedom to develop skills that led me to writing about all the apps I use to earn income and all the opportunities I use online that I use to earn income. I got this image from Pixabay, and of course I gave credit. I got this image from Pixabay. I thought the theme was fitting. I thought they matched nicely. I like it a lot. And this is something to show you. When you pick an ad, when you pick a image, say I click on this, you go to download. You can view to copy and paste the URL, but when you click download, that's when this information pops up. And then now they synced with Canva. But I just wanted the original. You copy it. And I gave credit to the people who allow me to use their images for free. So that's inbound links too. I also have a link to Home Base Income 101 because I promote this video I uploaded. The content leads to this video and leads to the Spark code to use if anyone wants to jump on to earn income with Spark. And I like this video because I speak about the apps I use to get paid, and I learned that they're bank apps. There are a lot of major keywords in this content, and Google Ads like that. I got the word bank, debit card, gig apps, money, instant pay. It's great. Fidelity. I mean, all these keywords on this amazing content throughout this amazing content. And I did not use artificial intelligence for this. This was all me. Everything I'm sharing with you is what I produced in the 4 hours. And here's a multiplex ad. And after a while, this will get organically indexed into the search engines. Now let's go back. I'm the back end of my WordPress. I use the header footer code manager to add the meta name description to gig income, the blog post. So when the search engines do crawl this URL, they go, wow, she even has a meta name description. That's very important. Just as important as a header. Major. It's information the search engines want to see. It gives you an advantage to get indexed organically into the search engines. Then I go to appearance and I went to customize. I had to tweak all these spaces because it was a mess. I figured out how to get the breadcrumb beneath the AdSense sticky ad. I figured out how to increase the space. It wasn't easy. I'm learning how to use the WordPress theme. And I figured it out, and I clicked on every one, and I just kept clicking away until I figured it out. Because this website needed to be tweaked. These paragraphs, they were a mess. There was no spacing. It was horrible. And now a nice space, good sized content, evenly distributed, great images, inbound links, outbound links, a YouTube video, valuable keywords. Oh, income. That's another keyword. Work, jobs, income, money, banks, pay. It works. I like the way the sticky ad is on top. It's not overkill with ads. Then I have one on the side there. They're not always the same, just that's what it popped up right now. And I have the multiplex on the bottom. I have a couple of referral codes, a couple of referral links. It's beautiful. I'll include the link in the description below. And I figured out how to put a sticky ad on the home page. I couldn't figure that out for the longest time. I just couldn't make the space wide enough, high enough, the height. And I finally figured it out. And the breadcrumb, this is a breadcrumb, is beneath the sticky ad. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. All this takes time, but every time I have the itch to work, I'm setting myself up to earn income in the future from yesterday's work. I hope you get it. I'll see you soon. Have a good one. Never give up. And visit the link in the description below if you would like to read the blog post. I think you'll like it. See you next time. Bye.